out there?
What we got going on today?
Oh, we got another project. We haven't finished the other one, and we got another one. What are we going to call this one?
Quinn.
Quinn?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Quinn. What do you think?
Quinn's not a Chevy, though.
No, it's a GMC. Just like the Scary Van.
But she's the same year as Nellie.
Yep. And the body is in better shape. The front clip got a little dent here, but the whole clip is a lot better. Now it's all pushed in. The engine doesn't, this is a 6-cylinder with a standard shift, and the transmission's not, the shifting linkage isn't adjusted right, and it just shifts terrible. But it really drives down the road good. The engine doesn't have any power. It's only running on about 4 or 5 cylinders. I gotta figure out what's wrong with that. But it's probably something simple or stupid, you know. But other than that, looks pretty good.
Choke cable comes down through here, avoiding these cables.
Oh, I can't find that damn.
And over here. It continues up.
Down. That all the way up. That's choke off. Now I don't know. Looks like somebody had drilled a hole in here. I don't know why they would have done that. That doesn't look right to me. But we're going to say that if that was there, we want this to be up here. So we want this to be about there. So let's just cut that off here. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Now, that choke should be
Open.
all the way open. I think it is. It's not quite. Let's push. Is that button down all the way?
It is down all the way, yeah.
Okay. Let's come up a little bit more. Now you make your adjustment by moving this up a little bit. Pull it up a little bit. Watch your choke. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Push it down. That's rich. Now a lot of gas for starting, and then you can go wide open. And you see it also moves the throttle up and down a little bit. See it moving the throttle right here?
Yeah.
So it speeds the engine up a little bit. You see how this is pulling down here, over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
How did you know we had problems with the choke? Was it because when you
The
started driving it?
The spark plugs were all fouled, and when we tried to start it, I was having some issues with it. And, well, I didn't know the plugs were all fouled. We found that out later. So now we're going to put some new plugs in it. And before we do that, we have to fix the choke, which we just did. We put a new choke in there because the cable, there's an old cable laying in here, but it wasn't really the right one. And the choke should be in the forward position of the engine shroud. You can see where that is, right? Yeah, by the handbrake. That's where it's supposed to be. So now when you lift it up, you go into choke, and it advances the throttle slightly, and when you push it down, it takes the choke off. So now when we get new spark plugs in it and we push the choke off, we know the choke is off. And that should be a big help to us.